guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the REEBOK Nano Inside Out. Before we get into the review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Drop some thumbs up, we want to see those likes, and drop us some love in the comment section below. We want to try our best to reply to every single comment. Let's get into the review. So today we've got a look at Reebok's training sneaker or trainer, and it is called the Nano Inside Out. Recently came 2020, and this is the latest release that came out around November. And we've got this in a UK 7.5, it is a US 8.5, and it's European 41. And we've got this in the chalk carrot black colorway. Here it is. Pretty cool. It is just, to me, it looks like those modern running trainers that you'll find in the market now. It reminds me of an Adidas runner you can get. But this is Reebok's trainer, so they say. We'll start with the outsole. So we've got an all rubber outsole with multi-directional traction, and it's a meta split Reebok one. Going onto the midsole, so a lot of Reebok's trainers, they're workout sneakers, they are made out of EVA midsole, and you can't go wrong with an EVA midsole actually. I know I've mentioned in the past, you've got Nike's React, you've got Adi's Ultra Boost, which we do love. We've done reviews of similar sneakers here, but you gotta give some love to the EVA. It's one of the OGs in the comfort midsole heritage line, I'd say. But yeah, you can't go wrong with an EVA midsole. Working along to the upper, so it's a blend of meshes, and this is the whole inside out. What this looks like is a sneaker, a shoe that's been folded inside out. You can see it here on the mud guards and on the textile material. I'm pretty sure if you were to put it on the other side, it will look like a leather outsole with some paneling. And these panels, and you can find it around the lacing as well, and on the medial and lateral side where the vector is, it's very soft. It feels like a pigskin nubuck, but I'm pretty sure it is all synthetic. And I'm pretty sure that they are all mixed synthetics. As I mentioned, this mesh that makes the underlayer at the toe box area is very flexy. It feels very stringy. Don't know what the words for it, but it's there to make your front of the feet very comfortable when you're obviously exercising. Now the laces are held by these 4 straps on each sneaker, so you've got it on the lateral and the medial side. It's there and there, and you've got a pretty standard lace enclosure. The lace paneling is made of the same materials as the middle, the vector. And what's really cool about this vector logo, I would say, is that it's stitched. So when you look at your sweaters and they got the logos, and you were to reverse it inside out, it has the similar stitching. So it's a nice touch that you can find on the medial and lateral side of the sneaker. Going along onto the heel unit. So it's made out of this synthetic material, and what you can see on the heel is that you can see the size tag now, which is weird because I would think that the size tag would be the tongue, and this tongue has the Reebok Nano logo. It's nicely padded, and we'll close it out with the ankle support. So you got a nice padded ankle support and heel support as well. So as I mentioned, you're exercising in these sneakers, and it's there for your comfort and to make sure that your feet is locked down. It's a pretty cool concept, very different to what we usually review. I mean, it's a different kind of aesthetic, it's a different look, but we're always here to try out the new things here at Oneupreviewz, and I can't wait to show you guys what these look like on. So let's go. as you saw with me trying these on, it was great access, easy access as well, and these are really comfy. Obviously this was built for training. I can feel that. I can feel the traction as well, stopping my movement, just what I want in a sneaker. Pretty much everything that I desire in a training sneaker. Let's give you the 360. When it comes to the fit, guys, these were a great fit. And again, I have to praise the comfiness of these sneakers. Really threw me off guard because these are meant to be inside out. But I've got all the comfort that is needed for training. With that said, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.